How to make schools a safer place. Follow me.
All right, kids. It's break time. Let's leave the classroom and head out to the playground. It looks like something risky is starting to happen behind the scenes.
Classrooms are ideal breeding grounds for bacteria and viruses, with high density of individuals and frequent exchange of indoor and outdoor environments, providing exceptional conditions. From classroom desks to doorknobs, these surfaces have become reservoirs for harmful microorganisms. Classrooms, cafeterias, and hallways, packed with students and staff, increase the likelihood of interpersonal transmission of infectious sources. Whether it's respiratory droplet transmission or transmission through shared surfaces, all pose risks to the health and well-being of participants in the setting. Unfortunately, traditional cleaning methods and frequencies are often insufficient to comprehensively address this challenge. Imagine the bell ringing, signaling the long-awaited break time. Kids pour out of the classroom, chasing each other, climbing on the jungle gym, laughter echoing. Meanwhile, in the empty classroom, unseen bacteria in the warm environment, finding ample food in leftover snacks and remnants of school supplies. Under the microscope, bacterial colonies cover surfaces, forming intricate patterns, an endless cycle of growth and replication. In just one short hour, the ideal conditions in the classroom lead to exponential growth in the number of bacteria. After break time is over, the kids return to the classroom, completely unaware that a bunch of invisible residents are waiting for their arrival. With eager hands and curious minds, they settle back into their seats, unknowingly exposing themselves to the microbial world around them. At the same time, a host of microbes from the outside world hitch a ride into the indoor, more hospitable environment. Growing up in a superbug-infested environment is an inevitable reality of school life for these children. Despite efforts to maintain cleanliness and hygiene, the invisible threat of microbial contamination still looms, impacting their everyday interactions and experiences in unimaginable ways. Now, Bromoco has come up with a solution. It's a permanent antimicrobial and surface protection solution that offers long-lasting protection. Unlike temporary disinfectants, Touch forms a hard film coating after application, creating unfavorable conditions for microbial survival on protected surfaces and disrupting the cell structure of harmful microbes. This crystal-clear coating won't affect the original color of the surface and can be applied to almost any surface. With antimicrobial action from the root, it ensures surfaces stay clean and protected for up to 5 to 10 years. Currently, Touch has partnered with numerous schools and government agencies, applying this solution to classroom desks, cafeteria, and sports facilities, receiving positive feedback and wide acclaim. Touch Silver Ion Antimicrobial Solution, passionately helping prevent a future pandemic. Scan the QR code or click the link in the video introduction to learn more.